Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss some more divisibility rules. So let us begin. First of all, test of divisibility by 5. हम 5 से divisibility आज rules पढ़ेंगे 5 से divisibility के. So let a 2-digit number be 10a plus b. Let us consider a 2-digit number. General form of a 2-digit number is 10a plus b, where this 10a represents the tens place digit and that b represents the unit place digit that you all know. Since 10a is divisible by 5, they are saying that 10a is already divisible by 5. You need not to bother about it. That means tens place digit is considered to be always divisible by 5. Okay, moving on. For 10a plus b to be divisible by 5, okay, now as you know, tens place digit is already divisible by 5. So they are saying for checking that whether the whole 2-digit number, that is 10a plus b, is divisible by 5 or not, what you have to check? You have to check that b should be 0 or 5. That means unit digit should be either 0 or 5. So see, let us take an example. I have taken 55. अब जैसे कहा गया था टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट दैट इज 5, वो ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल बाई 5 होगी, या आप 10 करके निकाल भी सकते हैं. 10 मतलब क्या होगा 10 इंटू 5, क्योंकि 5 है ना टेंस प्लेस पे. सो 50 डिविजिबल बाई 5 होता ही है ना. ओके, आपको ये चेक नहीं करना, वो मैंने आपके कंफ्यूजन ना हो इसके लिए बताया. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट दैट इज बी. देयर शुड बी आइदर 0 और 5 for making this number to be divisible by 5, for checking this number that whether it is divisible by 5 or not. और देखिए यूनिट प्लेस में 5 है ना, that means b is equals to 5 ना. So that means whole that this 55, that is 2-digit number, this 55 is divisible by 5, क्योंकि यूनिट प्लेस में हमें या फिर 0 मिलना चाहिए या फिर 5. अगर इन दोनों में से कोई मिलता है तो दैट मीन्स हमारा जो 2-digit नंबर है वो हमारा 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. सो कंडीशंस आर ट्रू इन दिस एग्जांपल, दैट मीन्स इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. Moving on to 3-digit number. Let a 3-digit number be 100a plus 10b plus c. This is a general form of a 3-digit number. You are all are aware of it. Since 100a and 10b are divisible by 5. Okay, they are saying 100a and 10b both are considered to be already divisible by 5. That means in a 3-digit number, the digit at the 100 place and the digit at the tens place is considered to be already divisible by 5. You only have to focus on the unit place digit. Okay, so for 100a plus 10b plus c, that means whole 3-digit number to be divisible by 5, to check whether it is divisible by 5 or not, you have to check that, you have to notice that c should be 0 or 5. In place of c, there should be either 0 or 5. Conditions are same. Rule is same in both 2-digit and 3-digit. Na? So see, I have taken example 530. You don't have to worry about 5 and 3. They are 100 and tens place digit and they are said to be already divisible by 5. And if you want to check, you can check the placing the values in place of a and b. Na? Now focus on the unit place. There is 0 na, and as I said, if there is 0 or 5, either of them is present at unit place, the number is said to be divisible by 5. As at unit place 0 is present, that means c is 0, so that means it concludes that 530 is divisible by 5. Okay, this was the rule for checking the divisibility by 5. Moving on to next rule, test of divisibility by 6. How we will check whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not? So see here, since 6 is equals to 2 into 3, you can write 6 as 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6 only na. That means you can break 6 into 2 factors, that is 2 and 3. 6 को आप 2 into 3 लिख सकते हैं ना. 6 को आप 2 factors 2 और 3 में break कर सकते हैं ना. Okay, you can do it. A number will be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि 6 को 2 और 3 में break किया जा सकता है. 2 into 3 gives 6 only. That means if you want to check that given number is divisible by 6 or not, for checking this you have to check that the number if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means the number will be divisible by 6. If the number is not divisible by 2 and 3, that means it is not divisible by 6. अगर नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल है तो मतलब आपका गिवन नंबर 6 से डिविजिबल माना जाएगा. अगर वो 2 और 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, दैट मीन्स आपका गिवन नंबर 6 से डिविजिबल नहीं माना जाएगा. ओके, सो सी एग्जांपल आई हैव टेकन नंबर ओवर हियर 8772. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल चेक इट्स divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 is check how we check the divisibility by 2. हम यूनिट प्लेस की डिजिट को चेक कर लेते हैं. यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है, 2 है ना, और यूनिट प्लेस पे 2, हमने 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी में रूल पढ़ा था कि 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ऐसा कुछ नंबर रहे अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे, तो नंबर आपका जो गिवन होता है वो 2 से डिविजिबल होता है. सो सिंस 2 इज देयर एट यूनिट प्लेस, दैट मीन्स 8772 इज डिविजिबल बाई 2. नाउ चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी बाई 3. आप 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी के लिए क्या करते हैं, सारी डिजिट्स का सम निकालते हैं एंड you check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 will give you 24, and 24 is divisible by 3 now. That means 8772 is divisible by 3. And as you have seen, you have just now solved and you have came to the conclusion that the given number is divisible by 2 also and it is divisible by 3 also. Therefore it concludes that the given number is divisible by 6. I have not written this statement that it is divisible by 6, but at last you will write this, that since it is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3 by checking all these things, so therefore it concludes that the given number 8772 is divisible by 6.